If you had invested just $1,000 in Tesla a few years ago, you'd be sitting on tens of thousands today. But here's the big question. Where should you put your money in 2025 to catch the next big wave? In this video, I'll reveal 8 powerful investment opportunities, from AI to farmland to crypto, that could define the future. And trust me, number 8 might shock you. So make sure you stay with me until the end, because the last one could be the most profitable investment of 2025. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive in and explore each of these 8 investment opportunities one by one, so you can understand why they matter, what risks they carry, and how they could fit into your 2025 investment strategy. 1. Artificial intelligence and automation. AI is not just about ChatGPT or virtual assistants. It is transforming every industry, from manufacturing to healthcare to transportation. Examples: NVIDIA, the undisputed leader in AI chips. In the last few years, NVIDIA stock has skyrocketed because AI data centers need powerful GPUs. Microsoft, MSFT, partnered with OpenAI and integrated AI into its entire ecosystem, from Azure Cloud to Office products. Tesla, TSLA, using AI to develop self-driving cars. Why invest? The demand for AI chips, cloud services, and automation solutions is expected to grow exponentially. McKinsey estimates AI could add $4.4 trillion annually to the global economy. Risk. Valuations are already high. Some AI stocks may be overhyped. Diversify within the AI space, rather than betting everything on one company. 2. Renewable energy and green tech. The global shift towards clean energy is accelerating. Governments around the world are spending billions to fight climate change. Examples: NextEra Energy, NEE, one of the largest renewable energy companies in the US, with solar and wind projects. Vestas Wind Systems, Denmark, a global leader in wind turbines. Tesla Energy, expanding into solar roofs and large battery storage. Why invest? The International Energy Agency predicts that renewables will supply over 35% of electricity by 2025. Long-term growth potential backed by policy support. Risk. Initial costs are high, and projects depend on government subsidies, but the long-term trend is undeniable. 3. Cybersecurity. As businesses and governments digitize everything, cyber attacks are becoming more dangerous and more expensive. That means cybersecurity is not a choice anymore, it's a necessity. Examples: CrowdStrike, CRWD, known for its cutting-edge cloud security. Palo Alto Networks, PANW, a global leader in network security. Why invest? The cybersecurity market is projected to reach $300 billion by 2027. Every company, from banks to hospitals, is spending more on digital protection. Risk. Highly competitive industry, but demand is growing so fast that multiple players can win. 4th, healthcare and biotechnology. People are living longer, and healthcare innovations are booming. From vaccines to gene editing, the sector is full of growth potential. Examples: Pfizer and Moderna, known for COVID-19 vaccines, but also developing new treatments. CRISPR Therapeutics, pioneering gene editing technologies that could cure genetic diseases. United Health Group, UNH, the largest health insurance and services provider in the US. Why invest? Global healthcare spending is expected to reach $12 trillion by 2030. Aging populations mean consistent long-term demand. Risk. Biotech companies are high risk because drugs must pass strict FDA approvals, but successful innovations can generate billions in revenue. 5. Real estate and infrastructure. Even though interest rates have been rising, the long-term demand for housing and infrastructure is still strong. Examples: REITs, real estate investment trusts, like Public Storage or Prologis, that own warehouses, logistics centers, and storage units. European infrastructure. With defense spending and reconstruction projects, companies like Rheinmetall in Germany are booming. Why invest? Real estate provides stable rental income. Infrastructure is essential in both developed and emerging economies. Risk. Sensitive to interest rate changes, but a balanced portfolio can reduce risk. 6th, nuclear energy renaissance. Nuclear power is making a comeback because it provides clean, reliable, and large-scale energy. Examples: Talon Energy and Vistra Corp, U.S. energy companies expanding their nuclear capacity. Several countries, including France, China, and India, are investing heavily in new nuclear projects. Why invest? Rising energy demand and the push for carbon neutrality. Nuclear is being recognized as a key solution to energy security. Risk. Public perception and political risks. But technology is improving, making nuclear safer than ever. 7. Farmland and agriculture. Food is a basic human need. No matter what happens in the global economy, people will always need to eat. Examples: Farmland LP, a U.S. fund that invests in sustainable agriculture. Global farmland investment returns have averaged 10% annually in the past decade. Why invest? Farmland acts as an inflation hedge. Stable returns, low correlation with stock markets. Risk requires long-term commitment. Returns are steady but not explosive. 8. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain. This is the most controversial and riskiest category, but also the one with the highest growth potential. Examples: Bitcoin, BTC, called digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, powers smart contracts and decentralized apps. Solana, SOL, fast and efficient blockchain gaining adoption. Why invest? Increasing adoption by financial institutions. Potential to transform payments, contracts, and finance. Risk, highly volatile. Prices can swing 20% in a week. Regulatory risks. Always invest only what you can afford to lose. So to recap, the top 8 investment ideas for 2025 are artificial intelligence and automation, renewable energy and green tech, cybersecurity, healthcare and biotechnology, real estate and infrastructure, nuclear energy, farmland and agriculture, cryptocurrencies and blockchain. The most important lesson: diversify. Don't put all your money in just one sector. Spread your investments to balance risk and reward. Which of these investment opportunities do you think has the most potential in 2025? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance and investment insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.